3 right here.
So there's kissing camel way up there. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
All right, let's walk.
Let's do it.
There's a blue jay.
There's a what? A blue jay?
Yeah, there is.
Okay, I believe you. So we're gonna do the little loop, but there's like some really big loops. So this is the loop we're gonna do, right? But look at some of these other loops. Like look how crazy big that would be.
That one?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to be here for like 17 hours. We'll see how the little loops look. Look at that tree up there on top of the rock. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. That said that was the smallest tree in the world.
Right. Pretty much.
How does the black float?
I have no idea.
And how does it stay alive? That's a better question.
Well, I mean, grass just needs like soil and some sun, so it definitely gets some sun.
But not soil. This really is.
It sure is beautiful. You like this, Abby?
Yeah.
It says, look at the signs. It says to stay on the sidewalk. Okay? It says to help us protect our natural resources. Oh, see? I told you there'd be rattlesnakes.
Yep.
This is a natural area. I don't want anybody to be bitten by a rattlesnake. It only takes too many snake bites, okay?
Yeah.
It's not fun.
What if the rattlesnake goes on the concrete?
Well, if the rattlesnake goes in the concrete, then we walk away. You have to be cognizant of your surroundings.
What if it's a 20-foot?
Well, remember, rattlesnakes are going to be
Abby,
more
you see this
scared
trash
of us
can?
than we are of them. So normally
Bear
they're not.
proof.
Bear proof?
Yeah. Because if
Bears over here?
it can't be, yeah.
Yeah, but like,
But I think hibernation.
Not right now. Summertime.
you've seen a poisonous squirrel.
Ew.
That's what I heard.
I heard that's what I you actually said. Oh, look at the little I said I've seen a poison. And it got bit by a rattlesnake.
Oh, look at the little cacti. You see the little cactuses here?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just go last year at the field trip. I had no idea. Somebody touched
Oh, guys, look, there's a person up there. Look. Oh, yeah, right there.
He's
On the rock.
yeah, mountain climbing.
Yes, because he thought it was going to happen. Yeah, that's why I think hopefully.
We just drove through the good walk.
Yeah, protect our resources. Let's drill holes in this rock face so we can climb it.
Well, I mean, if it wasn't allowed, they wouldn't go.
I know. No carving on rocks. What about drilling?
Maybe they're not drilling.
Yeah.
Maybe they're just putting it in crevices.
I hope so.
because
It's not like he's up there with a power drill.
what if
yeah.
he drills
They
into
also
it
have-
and the whole
You
mountain
can see
falls?
the shining carabiners up the side.
Yeah.
What if the whole mountain falls?
Left or right?
That's why. Their mom. Where? Oh, they're waiting.
Oh, there's a plaque right here, guys. Here, let me take a picture. Wait.
What does it say? Garden of the Gods. Charles Eliot Perkins, in fulfillment of his wish that it be kept forever. It's really hard to read. Free to the public.
So this guy owned the land and donated it. Can you imagine owning this, Abby? How cool would that be, Walker?
Hey, Walker,
Like this was your
drink?
home.
You remember when you drink, okay?
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
Is this a desert?
Yeah,
Yes.
and it's the cacti.
You know, actually up at my hunting lease we have cactus.
No climbing or scrambling over 10 feet from the ground. Is that on the trees? What? From what? Like there's like a path back there, and I'm like. I
We
don't
can
know.
circle back, yeah. Let's take a left here.
Step.
Oh, I don't see no step. What is this? Somebody crushed them.
Yep,
Oh,
they're
there's eyes. There's eyes.
So frustrating.
breaking the rules.
Mouth, eye, eye.
That's why it says no carving.
That looks like a color. What is that whole mountain for?
I'm reading about the honey ant. One of the park's most unusual and overlooked species, honey ants live in underground colonies throughout the dry southwest, but were first documented in 1879 in the Garden of the Gods. Their scientific name, Myromecocystus mexicanus. Why are there three words? Horridiorum literally means sack-like ant of the Mexican region found in Garden of the Gods.
Okay.
These secretive ants forage at night, collecting insects and sap from yucca pods and oak galls. If you want to walk around this, you see an ant?
Time frozen in stone. Why does it say time frozen in stone?
Okay, well, I mean, you're not going to be able to see much. Like, Abby, I think it might look cooler if you come stand here and I take a picture of that big stone in the background.
Wait, this one first.
Okay, let me take a picture of both of you guys in there.
If the mountain falls, I'm gonna scream.
Very cute, very cute. Okay, Abby wants to do one by herself. Yep. Very cute. Okay, Walker, you want to sit there? That's cool. Now, I just took 6 pictures of you guys. Here, take a picture of Daddy and I. Walker,
Can I do it?